Hello everybody, my name's John, welcome to our channel. I wanted to talk to you about these suspension arms. I know there's a technical name, but I've forgotten what it's called. You heard my pause there. Anyway, these, unlike other RC cars from what I've seen, these bend in an accident rather than snap straight away, which is fantastic because it means that you don't have to replace them. Now, there are a lot of people out there that would just go ahead and replace them anyway when they see that they are bent in such a manner. This one was really bent out of shape. Now, when I was repairing this, actually, let me show you the damage that was done onto this first. Now. Okay, you see what I did to my car when we had a big impact. I didn't even notice it at the time, but it really did bend this out of shape. It is something that I would usually have just replaced the whole part, but I used heat. I used the hot air gun to make it pliable enough that I could bend it roughly back into shape. It's quite, yeah, I mean, but basically back into shape. But somebody else in the comments below my video said that they had the same type of thing happened, but they literally just bent it back. And I mean, you see that this is still wobbly. I wonder, I may have made mine brittle, of course, after heating it up, but let's see if I can bend it better into shape now. A little bit maybe, not a huge amount. So what I would suggest is don't be afraid of bending it back, okay? It's this one didn't break when I heated it up and bent it back, and as I said, the other person just bent it back without heating it up. So don't just go out and buy a new one. There's no need to do it. Try bending it back first. If it breaks, it breaks. You've lost nothing, have you? So there you go. Don't be scared. Get on with it. Have a great day today, everybody. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you'd like to subscribe, do so as well. And we're going to have another RC Basics whenever I think of what it's going to be. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.